I am Chef Smith with Heaven's Healthy Kitchen, and this is Speak from the Seat. This is part 3 in the vegetable series. So, I'm going to talk about vegetables and different foods that my wife introduced me to. So, first, I did not grow up eating zucchini. So that was when my wife said, "Hey, I'm gonna cook some squash." I'm like, "Whoa, hold up." Then she said, "No, it's zucchini squash." Let me let me see. So I looked at it. I'm like, it's a squash. I don't know. So she sauteed it and, fixed it up good. And I was like, okay, I think I like this zucchini squash. She also introduced sauteed vegetables. So she would saute cabbage. She would she roasted some Brussels sprouts, and I was like, "Whoa, okay, I can do this." She introduced me to lentils. I had never ate or seen lentils. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, so I'm from the mid South. But I didn't know anything about lentils. I didn't know anything about zucchini. I'm pretty sure people in Memphis know about those vegetables in the 90s, 80s. I don't know. I didn't even going to people's homes to eat after church. Nobody had lentils. Nobody had well, I probably kind of ate it anyway, but I had never heard of zucchini. And so she introduced those two things I do know. She introduced me to sauteed vegetables, especially cabbage and Brussels sprouts. And she introduced me to lentils and zucchini. So that was pretty cool. Trying to think, are there any other foods that she introduced me to? I don't think so. I think that's it. Yeah. So I'm your personal chef. I am the people's chef. I'm the healthy chef. I'm your chef. And as always, eat to live and live what? Live well.